how to enter a delivery address on Grubhub for accurate results. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Grubhub on your device. Here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the top left, you'll find your location. Now, simply click on it and add your current location. You can enable and it will take your current location. But if you want to add a correct location, you can add the zip code of your street as well. Simply, you'll find all these options, select the one you prefer. After you've selected the one you prefer, you'll find all the restaurants near you. Now, you can simply click on it and add everything to your cart and start ordering from this restaurant, and your delivery address will be accurate as well. And this is how to enter a delivery address on Grubhub for accurate results. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.